I can't believe this. I mean, it just got through raining. And right up in that tree is another swarm. I just cannot believe it, man. I don't know, we'll see what they do. There's a few going back up to that spot. It wasn't a very big cluster to start with. It's so humid out here. Just didn't know if I was gonna, I don't know if you can hear the thunder in the background or not. So there's a few of them going back to that limb. I looked the best I could. I couldn't see anything that looked like a queen. They're all fanning in the box. Just have to see what they do. Like I said, it's after 6 o'clock. It's been raining probably the last 30 minutes or so. I was up here earlier during the day. I didn't see anything. I don't know. I was just into these hives the other day. Didn't look like there was going to be any more swarms, but who knows. It looks like there's less and less bees on that limb. Maybe the stragglers will go into that hive. Whoever says the bees won't swarm on a rainy day, I got one right here. So I don't know. There's a small fist-sized cluster on that limb. Just that queen scent still in the area up there. They're not wanting to fly in this wet weather, I guess. The majority of them, I think, staying in the box. I may run back up there and see if I can't get that little cluster and put them in the box. Who knows? It's highly doubtful that the queen's up there. Squirt them with a little sugar water. I think that's just the queen scent up there in that tree now. I looked over that limb pretty good. Couple of dozen bees up there, and they wasn't anything that looked like a queen. Not even a small virgin queen. But, got a top on that hive body in there, so at least they can get out of the weather if they decide to stay. Yeah, it looks like the rest of them bees have vacated the limb, probably going in the hive. We'll just let them settle down for a while, and then I'll strap that thing together where it won't slide open and bring it down in that bucket. That's the fourth swarm I've got out of that tree. That's a hackberry tree. Them old limbs are stiff and hard to maneuver through. At least they've been low enough that I could get in that tractor bucket and shake them out. I am thankful for that. I'm going to shut this thing off. I'm on my four-wheeler. I don't want to get soaking wet. I'll come back up here in my little pickup. I'm going to run up there in that bucket and put that strap around it and bring it down. I'll probably leave it in the bucket. Maybe not. I don't know. I'll let you know. Picking up a little bit. At least I got my pickup up there now. Wish that reducer wasn't there. But hopefully they'll stay. I ain't no telling what them frames are going to look like in there. Just in case, I have had some of these lids blow off with some heavy winds. That's the main reason I strap these things down. We get a lot of strong winds. Kind of see the front entrance there. I thought I had this swarming situation under control, but I guess not. That's a pretty small swarm there. But if they're my bees, I like to keep them at the house here. Still going off in the trees somewhere and maybe not making it. I don't know. They may be better off somewhere in a hollow tree. So with this and the splits, which I may have to combine later on. Right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 hives. This has been one swarmy year. Or I'm a really bad beekeeper.